Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie TV special. Today we are using Trader Joe's Shitake mushroom chicken mix to make our dinner. I'm going to use this as the base, but I'm going to add some special ingredients to it to make it my own. Trader Joe's is a great place to find little package meals like these that will help you in a weekday setting, all right? So join me in the kitchen and let's see what we can make from this Shitake mushroom chicken special from Trader Joe's. The first thing you want to do is you want to saute the chicken. It actually comes like as you see there, and you just put it in some oil and fry it up. I'm also adding some onion, scallion, mushrooms, and I also have some zucchini. You can choose your favorite mushroom. It just so happened that that's the mushroom I had on hand. I'm also adding some shrimp. So I just took the shrimp, washed it straight from the freezer, and added it to my chicken and make it fry up. Once the shrimp and the chicken is fried, you want to add your vegetable that comes with the chicken package. All right, now it comes frozen, and guys, you want to keep it frozen and add it directly to the pot, because if you thaw it out, everything is going to be mushy. All right, so you want to add it frozen. Just stir that in, and quickly that will start to incorporate, and you can start building on flavors now. At this time, you want to add your zucchini, and you want to add your zucchini before you add your sauce, so that when you add your sauce, the zucchini soak up a lot of the sauce. There is a stir fry sauce that comes in the package, guys. You just want to add that, and of course you can also add any other little flavors that you so choose, because you're not just taking the recipe straight from the package, you're adding to it and building it up and making it yours. Of course, you can go directly with the package if you so choose, but I like when I add my own little elements to make it right and nice. At this time, you want to add your onions. If you're using onions, as I said, I love onions, so I'm adding onions to this one. And you're getting ready now to sort of turn the stove down. You want to be using more residual heat than direct heat at this time. I'm adding my mushrooms at this time also, because the mushrooms are so delicate. By the time you stir around the pot 2 times, them cook. So you can quickly lock off your stove, around here, and just make the residual heat finish steaming them. And so, guys, as I said before, this Shitake mushroom chicken package from Trader Joe's really stopped a gap. It really helped on a weekday evening when you're not too sure what you wanted to cook. I totally loved it, and the family loves it too. I'm adding my green onions just to, sort of make the top look nice. Serve really no purpose, look of flavor and niceness, and you're good to go from there. Here is the finished dish, guys. A little bit after, I didn't eat right away, but I'm using a little bit of bulgur with mine, and of course a piece of corn and little lettuce leaf. Try bring it up, make it look like a nice-ish. But guys, I promise you, the taste was great. Everything worked out perfectly, and you should try this one in your neck of the woods. All right, remember, Yardie TV, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about what we're doing over here. Big up on yourself and enough respect.